Hello, my name is Dóra Füvesi Butler. I'm Hungarian and I work in Bokros in Hungary at the local factory. I would like to start with answering the first question about the Mars leadership competencies, which would be delivers results, creates collaborative relationships, and creates values, as in setting up procedures and processes. In my case, I would like to bring some examples for you. This is one of my processes that I have created for my colleagues. So I'm creating a lot of process documentations. This is another one. These two I'm very proud of, because after my input, many colleagues who have joined later could use these training materials. So the next thing I would like to talk about is how this aligns with my development and business objectives. Building relationship is something that's very important for me, and also creating the processes. So the next thing that I would like to talk about is what I do here. And what I do is project manager in regulatory affairs. So my role is to deal with all the out of EU countries that we deliver to from Bokros. Which gives me a really great experience in dealing with different types of cultures, which I really enjoy. The next thing I would like to talk about is my degrees. I have 3 degrees. My first one is my BA degree, which is Applied Linguistics and Business English. It is very important that this gives me a high level of proficiency, and I also had a PR, HR, and marketing skill set added with this degree. My international relations and diplomacy degree is my master's degree, which I can also use on a day-to-day basis. And also, I have a postgraduate degree, which is American Legal Expert, which I can also use in my role as regulatory. After all these basic things that I really wanted to say, let's go into the things that I wanted to say to you the most. So first of all, I also have training in coaching. So I'm a professional business coach and a professional life coach. In my previous employment at Eaton Hungary, where I was working in sales, I was also doing peer coaching. But ever since I finished business coaching and life coaching, I've been using it in my day-to-day life. I've also worked for a company called Trankfolder as a volunteer job for 2 years, so I have HR experience as well. I have graphic design experience in Canva, mostly with brochures, leaflets, invitations. I have been doing it for the past 3 to 4 years. And then my next favorite topic is volunteering. Mainly my volunteering was taking up most of my time, most of my free time, and it was concentrating on tidying up the environment. I am part of the TISA Tidy Up group, and I was part of Petkupa as well. TISA Tidy Up is national, and it has lots of events tidying up the riverside of the Tisa River, which is actually behind me, although you cannot see it. Petkupa is international and also clearing up other riversides. Now, it's very important for me that because I was living in the UK for a few years, I had a chance to volunteer for Blue Cross. So I was working for Blue Cross for 2 years next to my main job, which was logistics. But I really did enjoy this volunteer program. They were the ones to really take me on. I was organizing events, I was working in a charity shop, I was organizing sales and raffles. So I wish I could do that here, but it's not available in Hungary. And then the next thing and the last topic is the Mars Acts that I'm taking part of. Usually it's rubbish picking this year and last year. I've also put together some Mars Acts, especially last year, where several countries were, people from several countries were participating. And we are going to next build dog houses to donate to dog shelters. And the last question is why I'm the best candidate. Because of my English proficiency, emphasis on coaching, my HR experience, my design experience, and one more thing, personal passion, where I have received exceed expectations last year. So I hope you choose me, and sending love from Hungary.